स्पेशल व्लॉग है एक्चुअली दादा का. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ स्पेशल. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing fine and is enjoying Dussehra. I have also enjoyed my Dussehra, but I enjoyed my Dussehra with a sweet deal. I purchased this phone. Let me tell you about this phone in the unboxing video, and I'll tell you about the sweet deal I got on this phone. So let's get the video started. As you can see, I am opening the parcel in front of the delivery guy, or rather making him open the parcel for me while I am recording the video. Why am I doing so? There are news all over about people receiving duplicate products from Flipkart and Amazon and complaining, and also Flipkart and Amazon not helping them. To make my case stronger, I decided to open it in front of the delivery guy so that if I do receive any duplicate stuff, I can immediately return it back and make a complaint for it. And the delivery guy will be there to make my case stronger. So I'll request every one of you, if you do have any expensive stuff coming from Flipkart, Amazon, do it as I did. And as you can see, it's an S20 Plus box. The top of the box is a little bit scrubbed up, but the seal isn't broken. So I am hopeful that the contents inside will be there and the phone will be turned out untampered. So let's get started with the unboxing video, and I'll tell you about the sweet deal I received on this phone. As you have seen, I have opened the box in front of the delivery guy to check whether the box is really inside or it's a fluke. Now this will be an important unboxing because I don't know what contents will be there inside the box. As we have already known in the social media that this kind of offers and all, the vendors are doing fraud with the customers, and I have paid through my hard-earned money to get this. So this is the little box I have got. It is scrubbed up from the top, as you can see, scrubbed up, a bit of damage here. Now it's 8GB 128GB ROM model, SMG85DS available in all, and IMI numbers. Here something is there, I don't know what that is, and it's a seal pack only. It says Indian SIM card only, so that's good to see. So I'm hopeful that whatever thing is inside, it's original only. And here, as you can see, it's 83,000, but actual price is less than this, and whatever we get is one mobile adapter, headset, cable, ejector pin, case, manual. So these are the contents, and it says March 2020, month and year of import, country of origin is Vietnam, manufactured by Samsung Electronics Industry and all, Vietnam it is written. So, and Samsung New Delhi address is written. So let's open this and see whether contents are there actually or not, and whether I am being played at or not. So let's open this seal. So when you open the box, the first thing is the device itself. Now let's keep this aside and let's see what are the box contents. Here it is Samsung, it is written. We get a charger, and it is, the charger is, output is 5 volt 3 ampere or 9 volt 2.77. so 9 volt 2.77 ampere, so that makes a 25 watt charger, and it's a type C here, so that's very good to see. So both sides we are getting type C. So at the mobile end also we are getting a type C port, and at the charger also we are getting a type C. And what else we are getting here? This is the cable. This is a type C cable, the charging cable. This is the charging cable which we get. And what else? And these are the headphones. Okay, so braided cable is here. These are the AKG branded headphones with a type C connector. So as you can see, this is a type C port which goes inside the phone. So the phone doesn't comes in with a 3.5mm jack. Some extra ear tips have been provided, as you can see. So that's it about the unboxing. I hope so. Now there is no manual inside, which is surprising. What is this? This is nothing. This is a box only. Nothing is here. I am astonished to see there is no manual here. Okay, so the manual is here. Yeah, okay, my mistake. So the manual here, it is there. This is the box. So I think it comes with a case. I think it will open from this side. So this is the regional lock guide. SIM ejector tool is there. A clear case is provided, and a quick start guide is there, and a warranty card. This is valid for India, so warranty card is there. So that's it about the unboxing. Let's keep this aside and let's see the handset now. So this is the handset. This is the gray colored one, as you can see. So Samsung branded. So it seems everything is good, and we get a pre-applied screen guard. So a pre-applied screen guard is there, and this is whatever is there. So let's open this. So let me give you an overview of the device. As you can see, this is the gray colored model which I have ordered. It comes with a quad rear camera setup. The main is a 12 megapixel camera with OIS. The second one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Third one is a 64 megapixel telephoto camera, and the fourth one is a TOF camera for the depth sensing, and an LED flash is provided. This is a laser sensor which is provided. So that is about the back cameras. Front, it comes with a 10 megapixel camera, and from the front camera also you can do 4K recording. On the left side of the device, it is clean. There is nothing, only this aluminum chassis is there. The back side is glass. It is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The front is protected by Gorilla Glass 6. So the model it comes in, it is the same as the Snapdragon model as it is available outside India. Only in India we get the Exynos variant, Exynos 990 model. And on the right hand side, if you can see, this is the volume up down button and a power on off key. On the top we get a secondary microphone and a SIM card tray. At the bottom we get speaker grill and the primary microphone, and this is the charging port, USB-C charging port. And here we get a speaker to get the stereo effect. So that's it about the handset. I'll show you the handset after I set up the device, how the screen looks like and everything. So let me just set up the device and I'll get back to you. I have switched on the device. I have set it up. Now probably you'll not get the idea of how the screen looks like. The screen looks like this, curved at the edges, not so much like the older Samsung models, Samsung S series models, but it is a bit curved, but it is good, it is not too much curved. So, and it's a 20:9 ratio screen we get. So as the model we are getting, it's a 20:9 ratio screen, so I can hold it with one hand, so no problem in holding. It's a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen which is provided. The screen looks gorgeous. Let me tell you about the fingerprint scanner on this phone. The fingerprint scanner on this phone is not the normal in-display fingerprint scanner. In-display fingerprint scanners uses a camera to detect your fingerprints. That means whenever you place the finger on the screen lights up, and the camera captures your fingerprint, which then it matches with the fingerprint stored in your device and it unlocks. This is lot more secure. As you can see, the screen is not lighting up. It's an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. That means it uses waves and it is lot more secure. The only problem with the Indian variant is it is not that much powerful as the international variant with the Snapdragon 865 model, and also it lacks 5G in India. But it's not so much of a problem, as 5G in India it will take a hell lot of time to come. But the problem here in India is the variants are priced very high. But the sweet deal which I got is 49,999 deal. Stay tuned as I tell you about the Flipkart deal. Let me tell you about the offer I got on this phone. This phone generally retails at 74,000, but on Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, this was listed at 49,999 with an upgrade offer. Now let me tell you about the upgrade offer. The upgrade offer is like Flipkart will give you 15,000 of instant discount. So the phone will be yours at 35k. But that doesn't end there. If you have SBI cards, 1750 of instant discount and 1250 instant off above 30,000. So that makes the deal oh so sweet. That the phone will be yours at 31k. And not only that, you can opt for 369 months of no cost EMI. That's about the deal. Let me tell you about the catch. After a period of 1 year, if you want to continue the phone, you have to pay back 15,000, or else you have to give back the phone and purchase a new phone. If you don't do any of this, Flipkart along with Samsung will lock your phone and you will not be able to use it. So that's it about the deal. I want to give back this phone as it's a true flagship from Samsung, and everything about the phone is great. Yeah, it's not the Snapdragon variant that is available outside India, but Exynos 990 with the daily tasks and camera performance and everything, it is the same as the global variant, so there is no problem. And Samsung provides 3 years of security updates and everything, so the phone will be fine. So that's it about the video. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, give it a like. A subscribe would be great. And the pandemic is still out there, so stay indoors, follow government protocols, stay indoors as much as possible, and follow government norms. The pandemic is still out there, so We'll meet again in another video. Till then,